Hello, my name is Agustia. My name is 33220081. My class is number 337A07. I want to presentation about cross-cultural understanding. Part 1. Language and structure. Number 1. Intercultural communication. Intercultural communication means interacting with people from different cultural backgrounds. It requires intercultural communication competence, ICC, the ability to understand, respect, and adapt to cultural differences. Through ICC, people can share ideas, collaborate, and build meaningful relationships despite cultural diversity. And why ICC is important? The modern world is more connected than ever before. ICC helps prevent misunderstanding and conflict in multicultural situations, and it improves teamwork, builds trust, and supports success in workplace, education, and society. And people with ICC tend to be more effective in global communication. And challenges in intercultural communication. Number 1. Language barriers. Difference in vocabulary, pronunciation, and tone can cause confusion. Number 2. Stereotypes and prejudice. Judging others by culture can lead to false assumption. Number 3. Different cultural norms. Each culture has unique custom, gesture, and styles of expression. Number 4. Fear of miscommunication. People may hesitate to speak freely when uncertain. And now, read live example. In a business meeting between Japan and the USA, communication failed because of cultural differences. Japanese speakers often use indirect polite expressions such as well think about it, which usually means no. Americans prefer direct answer. This difference led to misunderstanding and business disagreement. Number 2. Language and cultural connection. Language and culture are deeply connected. Language reflects how people live, think, and see the world. According to the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis, language shapes how individuals understand reality. Culture influences how people choose words, express politeness, and show respect in communication. How language reflects culture. First, values. Words show what a culture values. Example, gender title like Mr. or Mrs. reflect social roles. Yes. Mr. or Miss reflect social roles. And second, politeness. Western cultures value individualism and express politeness indirectly what you mind. And then Eastern cultures emphasize respect and hierarchy. Example, Japanese sensei and identity. People use code switching to show different identities, formal, friendly, or cultural. When misunderstanding happens. Direct versus indirect. Americans might view Japanese as unclear, while Japanese might see Americans as too blunt. Dialect judgment. Local accent or slang may be seen as impolite or uneducated. General language. Cultures with general grammar may find English gender neutral word confusing. Even small differences like this can lead to major communication breakdowns. Indonesian and Philippines culture. First, both countries use music and folklore to express values and preserve identity. Indonesia, influenced by Hindu epic, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Islamic tradition, and local customs. Philippines, shaped by indigenous roots and Spanish American influences, both emphasize family, harmony, and spirituality. Music and folklore keep moral lessons and tradition alive across generations. Part 2. Case Study and Analysis Project. Case Study 1. Cultural Barriers. Scenario. A global team from Indonesia, Germany, and Japan is working on a technology project. The German manager gives direct feedback. The Japanese members remain silent when they disagree, and the Indonesian team avoids confrontation to maintain harmony. After several weeks, communication starts to break down. Deadlines are missed and misunderstanding occur. Case Study 1. Cultural Barrier. Number 1. Main cultural barriers based on Hofstede and Hall. Communication style. Hall's context theory. Germany low context cultural communication is direct and explicit. Japan and Indonesia high context cultures prefer indirect and polite communication. Individualism versus collectivism by Hofstede. Germany high individualism 74, open feedback is valued. Japan 46 and Indonesia 14, collectivists avoid open conflict to keep harmony. Power distance, Indonesia very high 78, subordinate rarely disagree with leaders. Germany low 35, encourage open discussion. Japan moderate 54, respect hierarchy but values structure. Number 2. Supporting data and example. German communication is direct and problem focused. Schmidt and Grove 2019. Japanese culture value Shinmoku silence to avoid offending others. Tanaka and Smith 2021. Indonesia culture emphasize teposeliro, mutual respect, and avoid malu, embarrassment. William and Lee 2022. These studies show how different cultural norms influence how feedback and disagreement are expressed. Number 3. Impact on teamwork and decision making. False agreements. Silence is mistake for approval. Trust decreases. Direct members German seem rude. Indirect members Asian seems passive. Inefficient teamwork. Misunderstanding slows decision and reduces in motivation. The team struggle to make effective decisions and maintain cooperation. Number 4. Strategies to overcome cultural barriers. Set clear communication rules, ensure every member shares feedback during meetings. Create a cultural user guide. Each team member explains their preferred communication style. Use structured feedback models such as the SBI, Situation Behavior Impact, or Pre-Mortem, approach to allow indirect but honest discussion. Conclusion: cultural differences can cause serious miscommunication if not managed well. By applying intercultural awareness and structured communication methods, teams can build trust, increase efficiency, and achieve successful collaboration. Case study 2: cross-cultural communication for business. Scenario: an Indonesian furniture company, Tropical Craft, is expanding to the European market. The company's marketing team creates advertisements that emphasize family values and community spirit, which are important themes in Indonesian culture. However, the campaign received little attention from Europe audience who view it as too emotional and unprofessional. Number 1. Cross-cultural communication failure. The failure occurred because the company used Indonesian cultural values in a Europe context. Indonesian collective high context culture values emotion and harmony, while Europe's individualist low context culture prefers clear and factual message. As a result, the emotional approach did not appeal to European consumers. Number 2. Supporting data. According to Akolkar Patil and Wak 2024, Asian ads focus on emotion and family, while Europe ads highlight professionalism and product quality. Hofstede Insight 2023 shows that Indonesian scores 14 in individualism collective, Germany and the UK score 74 and 89 individualistic and rational. For example, IKEA uses simple visual and factual information matching European preferences. Number 3. Cultural values affecting the campaign. Collectivism versus individualism. Indonesians are group-oriented, family unity, and emotional connection. Europeans prefer individual freedom, direct expression, and factual reasoning. High context versus low context. Indonesian uses indirect and symbolic message. Europe values clarity, professionalism, and straightforward message. Because of these differences, European consumers perceive the Tropical Craft advertisement as too sentimental and unprofessional, reducing its effectiveness. Number 4. Device marketing strategy. To success in Europe, Tropical Craft is sold adjust its strategy to fit local culture. Number 1. Emphasize product quality and craftsmanship rather than emotion. Number 2. Use simple minimalist visual with natural tones to match European aesthetics. Number 3. Include facts and data, example, eco-friendly materials, durability, and design innovation. Number 4. Highlight personal benefit like design for your lifestyle to appeal to individual preferences. Conclusion. This case shows that understanding cultural values is essential in international marketing. A campaign that resonates emotionally in one culture may fall in another if not adapted to local norms. Effective global marketing requires cultural awareness, flexibility, and intercultural communication competence to bridge cultural gaps and ensure business success. Case study 3. Nonverbal communication. Scenario: during a business negotiation in Dubai, the American representative keeps checking his watch and maintains a wide personal distance. The Arab client interprets this as impatience and disrespect, which leads to tension and a failed negotiation. Number 1. Nonverbal communication issues. Checking the watch repeatedly, seen as boredom or impatience. Keeping wide personal distance, viewed as unfriendly or cold in Arab culture. These behaviors conflict with Arab expectation for warmth, attentiveness, and respect a business meeting. Number 2. Research and cultural data. Time perception. United States. Monochronic culture values punctuality and strict time schedule. Levine 2024. Arab culture, polychronic culture, value relationship and flexible timing. Personal space. American prefer more distance in conversation. Arab prefer closer interaction as a sign of trust and engagement. Litkohi et al. 2012. These differences explain why the Americans' actions were when misunderstood by the Arab client. Number 3. Effect on trust and business relations. Nonverbal signals influence how people interpret, respect, interest, and sincerity. The Americans' gesture appeared empathic, reducing trust. The Arab client felt undervalued and disrespected. The misunderstanding caused tension and led to a failed negotiation. Number 4. Strategies to avoid misunderstanding. Learn cultural norms, understand gestures, space, and time perception in different cultures. Adapt behavior, adjust distance, tone, and body language to match the other party's comfort. Show patience and focus, avoid checking the time or rushing discussion. Build rapport first in Arab context. Begin with small talk to establish mutual respect. Conclusion. Nonverbal communication can strengthen or damage business relationships. Understanding cultural differences in time, space, and body language help professionals avoid misinterpretation and build trust. Successful intercultural communication requires awareness, adaptability, and respect toward others' cultural expectations. And this is my presentation. Thank you.